Let me show you how to make a super easy bow for your wreaths. We're going to be using two 1.5 inch wide wired ribbons and one 4.5 inch wide wire ribbon. You're also going to need a good pair of scissors, a standard ruler, and a coordinating pipe cleaner. Go ahead and lay your ruler out in front of you and take your pipe cleaner and just fold it into a loose V. We'll be using these to secure our bows. We're going to start out with the 4-inch snowman ribbon. You can use as many or as few ribbon types as you would like. Just make sure that your ribbon is wired. For this particular bow, I want an 8-inch tail, so I'm going to lay my ribbon down and identify that 8-inch mark. Pinch and gather that ribbon into my hand. My left hand will be my holding hand and my right hand my working hand. We're going to give this ribbon a hard twist. And I would like a 4.5 inch loop. So I'm going to measure out to that 9-inch mark because when we fold this over, it'll give us that 4.5 inch loop. Here I'm just pinching my ribbon. I'll fold that underneath into my hand. I'm going to give that ribbon a hard twist underneath my thumb. We're going to measure out to the 9-inch mark again to make our second 4.5 inch loop. I'm just pinching my ribbon and then folding it underneath my thumb. So now we need to cut a tail. So I'm going to measure out to that 9-inch mark again and cut. Let's move on to the second layer. Next up is a 1.5 inch ribbon. Again, exact same measurements, guys. So I'm going to measure out to that 8-inch mark to give us our tail. I'm going to give that a pinch, lay that right on top of the previous. And give that a hard twist underneath my thumb. I'm going to measure out to that 9-inch mark again, which will give me our 4.5 inch loop. Give that a pinch, fold it underneath my hand. Another hard twist, measuring out to that 9-inch mark, giving it a pinch, folding it over, and I want one more. So we're going to have 3 loops of this ribbon type. So I'm coming out to that 9-inch mark, giving it a pinch, and folding it over. So as you can see, we've got 2 loops on one side and one on the other, and we're going to cut our 8-inch tail. You guys not looking for perfection, just approximate. Now we can move on to our last ribbon type. This is also 1.5 inches. We're going to be following that same process as before, making 3 loops and 2 tails. This time, however, we'll have the 2 loops on the opposite side as the previous 2 loop. So I'm measuring out that 8-inch tail, giving it a pinch, laying that underneath my thumb, giving it a hard twist. And this time, guys, I'm just going to eyeball and measure it against those previous loops. So there's 1, hard twist, 2, hard twist, and 3. We'll cut our 8-inch tail. I'm going to grab a pipe cleaner that we had folded into a V earlier. We're going to wrap this around our bow stack and give it 4 or 5 super tight twists. Now I'm going to take my scissors and angle trim all of my ends. You could also dovetail if you wish. So I'm just coming down about 1 inch on the right side and cutting up diagonally to the corner for all of those tails. To fluff out your bow, I like to start in the back, open up those loops, let those tails run in the opposite direction of one another, kind of catty corner, and then we'll take those 1.5 inch loops, and those 2 that are identical will go into a V pattern, and then the single loop will go in between, and we'll do the same on the opposite side. Placing those like loops into a V pattern and leaving the single in the center. Then I like to run my finger over those tails just to give them a little bit of a curve. And this beauty is finished. It's the perfect size to add into any wreath that's 28 inches in diameter or smaller. Be sure to check out the snowman wreath tutorial that these bows will be going into. Bye guys.